One of the fundamental actions in Google Sheets is creating a new spreadsheet. You can either start with a blank sheet or choose from a selection of pre-designed templates. To create a spreadsheet in Google Drive, click New, select Google Sheets, then select Blank Spreadsheet. A new blank workbook is opened, ready for you to begin entering data. By default, Google Sheets names newly created spreadsheets as Untitled. To name a spreadsheet, click in the Name field. Type a name, then press Enter. The file is renamed accordingly. You may be asking how to save a Google Sheet file. Google Sheets will automatically save your work while you have an internet connection. Let's add some data to our sheet to test this. I will close the file by clicking the X on the Sheet tab. Now let's reopen the file by clicking on it. Notice that the spreadsheet is saved and appears the same once it is reopened. Instead of creating a spreadsheet from scratch, you can also use pre-designed templates to create commonly used documents such as invoices, budgets, calendars, and schedules. To create a spreadsheet from a template, click the New button. Next, hover over the arrow to the right of Google Sheets on the menu, then select from a template. The template gallery displays. Recently used templates are shown at the top. Below, the templates are grouped into categories such as personal, work, project management, and education. Let's look at some of the templates. In the personal category, there are templates for to-do lists, monthly budgets, schedules, calendars, planners, and more. In the work category, there are templates for invoices, timesheets, reports, and dashboards. In the education category, there are templates for attendance, gradebooks, and assignments. Simply select a template that interests you. A template with its design elements and placeholder data appears, which you can customize to your liking. This concludes our lesson on how to create a spreadsheet in Google Sheets. You learned how to create a blank spreadsheet and how to create a spreadsheet from a template.